All right, I thought I'd do a quick Sunday fleet update of kind of what I've been up to recently. If you noticed, the Cheap Car Challenge Volvo has new Steely snow tires on it. Picked these up in Charlottesville for $50 for the 4 rims and pretty old snow tires, but they got a little bit of tread in there, so they should do slightly better than the stock wheels and tires that came with it. Even though these are good, they're date stamp 18, have good tread, so those will be probably used to pass inspection. But other than that, I think it looks good. You know, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to lift it at all, but as it sits right now, I'm kind of liking the look of it. Maybe try to get some driving lights or a roof rack or something to kind of complete the look. But other than that, I think I'm ready to hit the trails. Over here, I figured out that the Classic probably needs a fan clutch. I can't get it off. I broke my tool trying to get the fan clutch disengaged. I might have tightened it too much last time I replaced it. Let me see. I mean, it doesn't spin. Yeah, it spins a little freer than I'd want it to. I mean, especially when hot. It's cool right now, but it definitely doesn't have good enough rotation while it is warm to kind of warrant not replacing it. So they're about $100 online, so I gotta find a decent deal on one, and I'll swap that one out. But other than that, not much else updated for the Classic. I've got a upgraded beefy steering. I got a couple tie rods and a steering bar coming from Rovers North, and I'll probably do a video on how to install that. And that's it for these two. Let's go up to the 300D. So if you watch any of my other videos, you might remember that this thing doesn't shut off when you turn the key, or at least takes 5 or 6 seconds for the valve to pull in, leading towards a vacuum leak. Let's see it now. Oof, cuts right off. Again, I'm not a master mechanic, or I'm just an avid YouTube researcher. So what I determined after a little bit of troubleshooting is, yes, I have a vacuum leak. No, it's not from the engine compartment. Yes, like most of these old Mercedes, the leak most likely was originating in one of the door locks. So I'm assuming it's this one because it doesn't actuate very well. This one works well. So what I did, the old golf tee. So this little distributor here leads to the locks. So all I did was block off that vacuum line, and she purrs just as good as you'd think she was. I'm assuming this is going to help my transmission shifting and all the other various functions along with the 300D. But I'm very happy. Again, that was a free fix, and now the thing runs and drives and shifts so much better. But again, you know, that's something that would have cost me hundreds of dollars to have someone diagnose. But you know, kind of day by day, I did a little bit of research here and there when I had time, and yeah, really paid off. So that's the quick fleet update for now. Gonna be some more updates as the week goes on. There's a couple other cars that we have around. I'll give you a quick teaser. We've got another Cheap Car Challenge car parked over there. That's kind of a teaser. You'll be seeing that when we do the Cheap Car Challenge. But other than that, that's all I got. Please kind of subscribe and leave a comment if you find anything interesting and want me to do more specific videos than any of the other cars in the fleet. We've got another couple cars coming next week that we're working on, so we're just going to keep it coming. See ya.